the Leather Quill shop, and we sell our TN covers with interior pockets and without interior pockets. Now, one positive aspect of not having pockets on the inside of your TN is the fact that you have a flatter writing surface. I actually prefer the flatter writing surface myself, but one downside is sometimes you need the extra pockets for bits and bobs and pens and things, and not having that, you can add a pen loop and things, or you can do the paper pockets. But one solution that we've come up with for this is on the website, we have our leather pen wallets. And these come in all of our sizing, from pocket all the way to composition. Pocket size through personal have 2 pen holders. They don't have the 4. They have 2. And B6 through A5 all have 4 pen holders. They come with 2 secretarial pockets. You have your pen wallet with the flap that protects your pens. You have 2 card pockets on the rear secretarial pocket. Composition will have 3. And they are made to slide underneath one of your elastic, so you can carry all the little bits and pieces you want with you. And when it comes time to get down to like serious planning and you need your flatter writing surface, you can pull this out and then go to town and then slide it back in. Now, these do come in all of the leathers that we have on the website. This one is Victorian Bison here. So my favorite part of this whole pen wallet thing is the fact that you can really get creative and mix and match your leathers. So for example, if you had this beautiful peacock bison with this mystery dragon front pocket, you could have this made with a peacock bison base, or actually that purple looks really cool too. But you could have the peacock bison base. You can pick your stitching color, so you could do like purple stitching, you could do white, you could do cream. Like, we have so many stitching options. And then you can do like the mystery bison for the pen wallet here, and you could do like Victorian bison, which is this one for the pen, for the actual secretarial pockets. This flap here would be the same leather as the secretarial pocket because it is one continuous piece. And then you could do different card pocket leathers. So truly, the possibilities, like, you could really get creative and have fun with this and make something that really matches your favorite cover. Turnaround times on these are about 7 to 10 business days. Sometimes we do extend the turnaround times if we have a little bit of, if we have a lot of orders in queue, honestly. So the turnaround times are always on the website. So if you have questions about our pen wallets, I'm happy to answer. You can leave a comment below, or you can shoot me over an email. If you like this exact one, this is Victorian Bison with emerald stitching and Victorian Bison secretarial pockets, card pockets with a Tessa pen wallet. And the pen pockets themselves also are molded, so they will fit some of the bigger fountain pens as well. If you have a fountain pen or any pen, honestly, that's a little bit on the bigger side, with leathers, it does stretch, so you can work the pen in there and just leave it sit for a day or 2, and the leather will stretch. Downside, though, is it won't stretch back to what it was. So if you do kind of make one pocket for one of your favorite pens, like, that will be the pocket for that pen. There's no going back, baby. So like I said, if you have questions, shoot me over a message. I'm more than happy to answer, and I hope that you really like these designs. I think they're super fun. So have an awesome day.